A scientific study from Rutgers University tells us that homes that have flowers in them have less arguments. That's a great reason for us to have flowers around the house. But there's even more health benefits. People who are surrounded by flowers have less feelings of depression. They feel happier thoughts. They also surround themselves with more friends. So flowers are super powerful. No matter how you cut it, whether they're arranging them or giving them as a gift, it's a perfect opportunity for us to make someone's day more special and improve their life. There's also healing aspects that go with flowers. There's a Boston University study that tells us that people who receive flowers when they're sick get better faster. It gets even more interesting when you add in the factor of color. People who receive yellow flowers get better faster still. So whether we're arranging flowers or giving them as a gift, our opportunity to petal it forward with flowers means we're sharing health benefits and happiness, especially when we include them in our life in bloom.